Hello girls and guys, welcome to the history of bits with Sanjay Khan SSK. In this video, we are going to see the second part of the last video. We have seen uh, we are building these things, okay, in our IPython notebook. So we already built and plotted. We already plotted the bar and the label. So now we are going to add the hover effect. So if I hover it, it will be telling that there are 60 reviews and with the categories. And if I hover here, and it will say that there are 30 reviews and the type is negative. Okay, import our hover tool. So from bokeh dot model import hover tool. Okay, now let us create an object like type for our hover tool. So p dot select picked off type equal to hover tool. Okay, now we have done few things. Now we need to show that hover tool here. So let me come to here figure and let us add tools. So if you don't know how to add tools in Bokeh, I have posted a video, so please go and watch that, or you can simply do this itself. So I need a hover tool. I don't need any other tool. Okay, let me get this reset tool. Yeah, reset tool. Okay, yeah, now let's run this and see. Now this is an hover tool. Now hover, but the data is showing like something different, data x comma y, screen x comma y, index x, but we don't need these things. We need like these things like bar type and number of review. So let us add hover up. So let us add top. So let me run this tool tips. Okay, now we need to add our few things like okay, now let's start adding. So hover dot tool tips equal to, okay, let me zoom in. Hover dot tool tips equal to, we need in a list we need a tuple like for, okay, let me explain it. So what we need here, we are saying that index colon 0. So index colon is an this, so index colon this one. So our index colon and the data coming from is 0. So this, like, we need this index colon is common for everything. Yeah, here index colon is common, but the thing is changing is this value. So we need to, what value we need there, we need categories. So there are only two categories, one is positive, another one is negative. So we need categories. So let us put those categories there. Let me copy and paste it. Okay, now if I run it coming index is positive. Okay, now I will change the index to bar type. So this is bar type, and what thing I other what are the other thing I need? Number of review. So okay, let us put number of review. Okay, another people. So there are two strings I need. So number of count, instead of simply count, we will put what type of count is there. So f Okay, at okay, number of count. From where this count is coming? This count is coming from this tab. Okay, let me copy this tab or this tab. They both are same only. So okay, copy and paste it. Yeah. Now number of count is 60. Number of count is 30. Okay. Now let us. Yeah, these are the things we can do in vertical hover. We can do in big data also, like importing data from pandas, and we can add line plot or um, any plots we are talking about. We have already seen many plots how to plot those type of plots. We can use any one of the plot, so we can do it. Okay, and I think I will stop this series here, and let me show you something about where to. Okay, yeah, I think we know the basics of bokeh and how to plot uh, bars and plots in bokeh, and we know how to customize things in bokeh. So I think we have already finished the basics, so we need to move advance to the next uh, intermediate. So I hope you understand the basics. uh, in future I may put videos, intermediate videos about bokeh. So if you want to interested in learning bokeh, go to their official website bokeh.org. There you can find lot of things. uh, you can go to tutorial. Here are the few samples plots. It will take us to the binder. If you don't know what is the binder is an ipython sharing online. We can execute and we can change, we can modify, we can download it in online itself. So these things, yeah, it will load, it will take few seconds. Jupyter notebook, see here Jupyter lab, here Jupyter notebook. Okay, it has come down. Here what are the things you need? Basic plotting we have covered, and styling and theming we have covered, data source and transformation we have covered, adding announcements I think we already covered those things also, and presentation and layout we have those are the intermediate things. Bar we have covered, vertical bar, and graph and network plot we have not covered. Geographical plots, exporting and embedding, running bokeh application we have not covered. uh, yeah, uh, rows and columns, grid plot. So how to run this in online? Wait, it is storing. Okay, execute. It will execute. Yeah, but it will take few seconds. It will come. Wait. See, it's executing. Loading bokeh.js. It's loaded. Yeah. Report. These are the very basic things. These are the presentation and layout. I think we will not use these things in not everywhere. So graph. Yeah. If you want to use more interactive, so we can shift into, we can shift to bokeh from matplotlib to, we can shift to bokeh, because bokeh is and very interactive. See, this one is seaborn like plot. We can plot in bokeh itself. Everything we can do in Bokeh itself. If you want to learn more, so their website is bokeh.org. We are already in that website only, so you can come here and you can click on the tutorials. If you click on the tutorial, it will take us to the here, and we can learn from here itself, because it is showing a IPython notebook. We can change and check it here itself. So let me show you something. uh, Graph mode. So here we can plot it in graph. So fill color to green, alpha equal to 0.6. Yeah. Oh, this one is render, which is different from what we have seen. So same only, but the syntax will change. So here our graph, we can do plot 3D graph also, I think so, but I am not sure. See here we are using different color with the hover effect. Index 0, index 9, index 8. This is the starting index, and 1, and here it's going here, and it's going here, and then here 6, 7, 8, 18, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we can run it on online, and you can learn it from online itself. So you need more. So if you need to learn more, you can come there, and this medium blog post is super and useful, basics of booking, and I think we already covered this part. Yeah, histogram, we have not covered the histogram because this is little bit of medium things. So okay, hope you understand the basics of Bokeh, and please do subscribe, and we will post more videos and more tutorials. If you have anything to say, do in comment. See you on the next tutorial.